Fiverr is an online platform that allows people to offer and seek services ranging from writing and design to programming and marketing. It has become popular among freelancers and small entrepreneurs. I will show you how to create an account on this platform. In the web browser, type Fiverr and click Enter. After the search, click on the official Fiverr website. In the upper right corner of the screen, there is an option to join. Click on it. To create an account, we will use Gmail. Additionally, you can create an account through Apple ID or Facebook. Click on Continue with Google. Now, you need to sign in using your Gmail account. Select the Gmail address through which you will create the account. Confirm your agreement to Fiverr's privacy policy and terms of use by clicking Continue. Choose a username. Be careful with the choice of the username because it cannot be changed. The username can contain letters and numbers. Once you have chosen an available username, click Create My Account. Your Fiverr account has been created. Choose whether you want to buy or sell your services. If you want to skip this step, click Skip. I will choose to sell freelance services. After that, click Next. Select what type of freelancer you are. I will mark Solo Freelancer and click Next. Now, indicate the level of your freelancing experience. I will choose both online and offline and click Next. To complete your profile, click Complete your seller profile. As you can see on the screen, your account has been created. Now you can see what Fiverr looks like. Let's go back a bit. Click on Become a Seller to showcase your skills. To start selling services, click Continue. Again, click Continue. Click Continue once more. Now you need to enter your personal information. Enter your full name. Then enter your display name. The display name must contain at least 2 characters. Add your profile picture by clicking on the circle next to it. Select a photo from your device and click Open. In the description section, describe your work experience, projects you have worked on, and your area of expertise in at least 150 characters. The description can have a maximum of 600 characters. Enter the languages you speak and your proficiency level. To add a language, click Add. After that, click Continue. Now, enter professional information. Choose your occupation. Then choose 2 to 5 of your best skills in that field. Enter the time period in which you have worked in that area. In the Skills section, enter the services you offer and your experience level. To add more skills, Click Add. Additionally, you can enter your education, certificates you have in your field, as well as a personal website or portfolio with your work samples. To save the information, click Continue. To finish setting up your account, click Finish. And your seller profile is all set. Click on Done. That's it for creating an account. If you want to offer your service, you need to create a gig. I will create another video tutorial of how to create a gig. If you like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel.